Hey everyone, I'd like to welcome you to join our journey on the BMW R1150 to England. Our starting point is this Ibis hotel next to the highway A16, from where we will drive to the ferry this morning. We will cross the channel from Dunkirk to Dover, from where we will drive all along the southern coastline up until Southampton. From here we will take the ferry to the Isle of Wight. Today's drive will finish in Eastbourne, where we booked a hotel at the boulevard. So yesterday evening we arrived from The Hague to the hotel in Dunkirk and we wanted to get some dinner in the inner city. We decided to go there by train, from this post-war looking platform. Nevertheless, the train arrived on time. After some sightseeing, I had a good burger and a tasty beer. From the hotel to the ferry was no longer than a 15-minute drive. We arrived early to avoid any last-minute rush.
Nope. Hi. Yes. 1 second. Bonjour. Okay, bye. You. Sure. Okay.
We're now approaching Dover, and here you can see the famous white cliffs. It's a stunning welcome to England, and seeing them from the sea is an experience like no other. Dover itself is a fascinating town with a lot of history, including the iconic Dover Castle. If you have the time, it's really worth exploring. It's exactly the first thing we did after arriving with the ferry. The Dover Castle, often referred to as the Key to England, is a magnificent medieval fortress perched atop the iconic white cliffs of Dover. It is one of the largest castles in England and boasts a rich history that stretches back over 2000 years. The road leading to the castle was steep and curvy, so with a full loaded bike and a passenger it was kind of a challenge to get up and down the top. Now we will leave Dover behind and continue following the southern coastline by taking the A20. Notice the sea views on the left side. They're stunning. This is the first time I'm driving on a primary route in the UK on a motorcycle. So for now I'm taking a chill approach until I get used to driving on the left side. The route has some curvy and steep roads as well, with this one going downhill at 14%. These roads require careful handling and preparation to navigate safely, especially with all the load on the bike. This means low gear, low speed and use engine braking as much as possible. Looking far into the curve is important, but at the same time it's important to watch the road surface for gravel and holes as well, as we see here on this road. Here we've arrived in Folkestone, a vibrant and historic port town at around 8 miles from Dover. Folkestone's history dates back to Roman times, and it was an important settlement for both Roman and Saxons. Artifacts and ruins from these periods are still evident in the area. During the 19th and early 20th century, Folkestone developed as an important harbour and resort town. Folkestone's creative quarter has revitalized parts of the old town, turning it into a vibrant area full of artists, studios, quirky shops, galleries and cafes. It is a focal point for the arts and creative industries. It was a crucial departure point for soldiers heading to the Western Front during World War I, and this is commemorated at the town's war memorial. This town's road is also steep and curvy.
Shit, zeg. God.
Also, Folkestone is one of the UK access points for the Channel Tunnel, which connects the UK to France. The Eurotunnel Le shuttle service operates from here, carrying vehicles and passengers to Calais in just 35 minutes. Although we almost got into an accident here, we really enjoyed the ride along the boulevard. Finally, we've arrived in Eastbourne, where we will have the most exciting evening of our life.
I only wanna be with you, and no matter what you do, I only wanna be with you. Right. I only want to be with you. Thank you very much. And usually once I start, I never stop really. So I believe, yes, we're going to be having bingo sort of halfway through the evening. About 9:30 I'll be calling bingo, but do give me a few moments to sort myself out, the bingo bit. Some people think as soon as it comes up, right, come on, you said 9:30, can we start? But we've got to get the stuff ready, so it's... I never seem to stop at all once I've started, so I don't know whether that's good or bad. Here we go. That's probably the longest pause I'll have all night. You know what, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do an old Bobby V number. You remember Bobby V? Anybody remember him? I've never heard of him. Who is he? Echo. They say that you're running around